This 5-minute solution will show you how to send a video on LinkedIn message. So if you have a video and now you want to send the video to someone on LinkedIn, follow these easy steps. First of all, open your LinkedIn and for example, I want to send a video to this user. So here's I'm writing a subject and now you can write your message here, and to upload a video click on this attach a file icon, and now all you have to need just select the video that you want to share. And note one thing, that video maximum upload file size is 25 MB. Once the video attached, click on send, and that's how we can send video on LinkedIn message. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.